And now, ladies and gentlemen, the 12-time tag champ, 14-time hardcore tag champion, one half of the Confederate Wolfpack, Cannonball James, and the Lost Soldier. I say Lost Soldier. What a match this is going to be. Look there, got the old Confederate flag straight. Let's get this match underway. And they're starting off hard. They're just kind of just taking out and getting ready, though. And everybody's got them a chair. And all soldiers just decide to go over and just push on and get out of the way and start beating on him. Oh, nails him hard with that. And Armageddon is laying there hurt. And what are they doing? They're trying to get him. Oh, and the sneaks from behind. He hits him with that chair. It definitely hit him, but, you know. Oh, there's a chair shot right there. That's a chair shot. And there, now he's picking it up again. Oh, and nails him again. And Armageddon is still laying there about knocked. He's in comatose. And they're using the chair. Now remember, whoever leaves the ring, their team is disqualified. And there's the guy, what a chop there by the Lost Soldier. And now, there's all kinds of action going on. Oh, God, kills him with that chair. Yeah. Oh, and there, Armageddon, he's become the CMF there. Oh, ducks the clothesline. Oh, right to go. Oh, and they're stabbing him with it. And now they're going at it. Double kicks. And there, Chaos gets the best of him. Armageddon, I can't lean forward or you'll hear a wow. And there's the famous... Oh, look there. Chaos is getting back at him for about knocking him his head off with that chair. Armageddon's getting up now. He's got him a chair. He's got his specialized chair. Oh! I think I see an imprint of an A on the Lost Soldier's back. I definitely do. Definitely. Definitely see an A. Oh, and now he's hitting him in the back of the leg. Oh, yeah! Chaos is about to leave the ring. And he'll lose if he does. And there, look here, they both stopping each other up. Oh, there's the block. Oh, there's from behind. And there's a shot. Hits him in the back. And he's rolling him. Why is he rolling him out of the ring? Oh, so he's gonna, I see what he was doing. And for a second, I forgot the rule. Oh, drops him on him. Well, there's a leg up by the Lost Soldier for crying out loud. And now, he gets kicked in the face, and now they just got him down. And I bet I've said now about 10 times in this match, but I don't care. There's a hard chair shot. Oh, and again, and Armageddon is hurt. Armageddon is hurt, and he didn't, Cannonball James don't care. He's a Cannonball James. And oh, that's the clothesline. And what's he doing? He pushes him out of the ring, but he didn't leave the ring. So I guess he can get back in there. And there's the Lost Soldier. He's out of the ring now. And then, no. Law Soldier had the chance to get in because he didn't voluntarily get out of the ring. He was put out of the ring. And there now, he's hammering away on him. Oh, and there he kicked him. And he knocked him right back out of the ring. And now they've got him in there alone. I don't think that Primal Scream understood quite the rules of the match. But it doesn't matter, because they're setting him up for their finishing move. And got him up. Oh my God! There's the cover! Oh, and he fell over! And there's your winner, Primal Scream.